If you want to play GOG games on Steam, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a GOG game to Steam so you can launch it from your Steam library like any other game. This is a super simple method and it works great if you want to keep all your games in one place, use Steam overlay features, or just make your library feel more organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming and PC guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to install the GOG game on your PC. You can do this either through the GOG installer or by using GOG Galaxy. Once the game is fully installed, make sure you know where the game files are located on your computer. That matters because Steam will need to point to the game's executable file, also known as the .exe file. Next, open the Steam app on your computer. Once Steam launches, head over to your library. This is where the game will eventually appear after we add it manually. At this point, we are not installing the game through Steam itself. Instead, we are adding it as a non-Steam game, so Steam can launch it for us. Now, look to the bottom left corner of Steam and click Add a Game. A small menu will pop up. From that menu, select Add a non-Steam game. This tells Steam that you want to add a program that was installed outside of Steam. Once you click that option, a new window will open with a list of programs Steam can detect on your PC. If your GOG game appears in the list, great, you can select it right away, but if it does not show up, don't worry, just click Browse. This lets you manually find the game's install folder. From there, locate the game's .exe file. Usually this is inside the main game folder or a subfolder, like bin or launchers, depending on the game. Make sure you pick the correct executable file, because that is what Steam will use to start the game. After you find the .exe file, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will now add the game shortcut to your library. Once that is done, go back to your Steam library and look for the game. You should now see it listed there just like a regular Steam title. To launch it, simply click Play. Steam will open the game for you and you can enjoy it directly from your Steam library. This is a great way to keep your GOG collection and Steam collection together in one place. You can also right-click the game in Steam later if you want to customize the shortcut name, add artwork, or organize your library even better. And that's it. You now know how to play GOG games on Steam by adding them as a non-Steam game. It only takes a few steps, and once you do it once, it becomes really easy to repeat for other games too. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and drop a comment if you want more gaming setup tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.